So we're not experimenting anymore. With Codex, we're delegating 30 to 40 tickets a night, and Codex ships while we sleep. This wasn't possible 6 months ago. Hi, I'm Ryan Hendler, and I'm a developer at me&u in Melbourne, Australia, and this is what Codex unlocks. Through Codex, we're able to build features that genuinely would have taken us 3 months and now takes us 3 days, sometimes 3 hours, which is crazy. I go to sleep, Codex is working all night, and I wake up in the morning and I log onto my computer and Codex has given me this summary of, hey Ryan, I've finished all of your tasks for you. I think I woke up to 45 tasks completed, and I'm able to spend my mornings going through and reviewing code rather than doing the coding. And what that means is it unlocks my afternoons. I can spend time with my team discussing product, meeting with customers, being more hands-on with the product. It's at the point now where Codex isn't just tinkering and playing around, it's now producing the work. I think with Codex, you just have to give it a go. Even if you're non-technical, I think everyone assumes that you have to be technical to be able to use Codex. And the biggest thing that I've preached to my friends, to my family, is it's talking to a person, and you really can just get started.